Kinetik Wellbeing infrared ear and forehead thermometer. Inside the packaging you'll find the thermometer device with 2 AAA batteries, the full user manual and a quality control certificate, as well as a quick start guide. You just click your finger on the little groove at the top of the device and the battery cover comes off easily. Insert the 2 batteries in, replace the cover, click it back down and you're ready to go. To take the temperature from the inner ear, you just need to make sure that the thermometer is switched on using the power button here. Remove the probe cover and this will switch it into inner ear mode. Insert the probe into the inner ear canal correctly depending on the age of the patient, and you can find details on how to do that in the user manual. Press the temperature button here and the reading will be taken in less than a second. The temperature will be displayed on the screen just like that. To take the temperature from the forehead, again make sure the thermometer is switched on and this time make sure that the probe cover is attached. Point the thermometer 0.5mm away from the surface of the skin and press the temperature button to take the reading. A beep will sound to tell you that it's been taken and the reading will be displayed here on the screen. You can also use the same method to take the temperature of an object or surface temperature of any liquids. The thermometer has a handy memory function which stores the last 9 readings it's taken by using the memory button. This button can also be used to turn the beep sound on or off. The thermometer's got a really handy traffic light system to help you understand your reading. There's also a high fever alarm, so if your temperature is detected as a high fever, the alarm will sound. If you've got any questions about this device, please visit our website, which is www.kinetikwellbeing.com.